Introducing our 80 Core Science Concepts program, an engaging educational experience covering essential scientific principles in an accessible and hands-on format. This program presents core science concepts across multiple languages, ensuring that learners from diverse backgrounds can understand and explore fundamental ideas. Through animations and interactive demonstrations, each concept is brought to life, fostering a deeper understanding and sustained retention. Alongside these visual aids, learners gain access to hands-on experimental kits designed to help them actively experience and apply what they learn. By combining immersive EdTech videos with real-world experiments, the program ensures that students truly grasp each concept and develop a lasting curiosity for science. Empower your learning journey with the 80 Core Science Concepts program, where education meets experience. Visit our website and contact Oxygen to Innovation today.